What if creamy, tangy, made just how you like it yogurt was ready every morning without stepping outside? Well, today's lineup might just change breakfast forever. In this video, I am counting down the 5 best yogurt makers, from solid budget picks to the most consistent customizable performers based on hands-on testing, real-world use, and the little quirks that only show up after a few batches. Stick around.
5 Cuisine yogurt maker. I went into the Cuisine line with high hopes because, well, it's a classic and it does get a lot right. Consistent fermentation, easy portioning with multiple jars, and a straightforward experience if you're new to yogurt making. The automatic digital model, like the IY-MX650, includes 7 6-ounce glass jars with rotary date dials, and that's actually more useful than it sounds. Tracking fermentation and fridge dates becomes second nature, and portioning is super tidy for weekly prep. The built-in timer and simple interface keep it approachable, especially if you want to make single-serve plain, vanilla, and fruit on the bottom variations in one cycle. In testing, the Cuisine produced reliably mild yogurt in 8 to 10 hours, which is right in the sweet spot for most cultures. Texture is smooth and set, not too stiff, and the jars chill fast, which helps the final set in the fridge. If you like Greek style, pairing the machine with Cuisine's strainer accessory tightens the body nicely after a few hours of draining, ideal for thicker breakfasts or savory dips. The ecosystem here is kind of the point. Jars, digital model, and strainers all play well together if you plan to keep things organized week by week. Now, here's where the shine wears off a bit. The opacity can feel limiting if you're cooking for a family or want a big communal tub. 7 6-ounce jars go fast, and making back-to-back batches isn't exactly thrilling on a Sunday night.
4. Bear Yogurt Maker. The Bear surprised me with its stainless steel inner pot and microcomputer temperature control. Those 2 features set the stage for even heating and fewer hot spots, which, really matters for texture and culture health. The model with 2 1-quart glass jars plus a strainer is cleverly flexible. Make one big batch or split flavors between the jars. The included strainer makes Greek yogurt and soft cheese genuinely plug and play, and the interface lets you set longer ferments up to 14 hours without babysitting. In practical use, I liked the 360-degree wraparound heating approach, the yogurt set uniformly without weird whey pockets, and the stainless inner shell cleans up quicker than some plastic tub designs. If you're experimenting, say sweeter French tile, sharper tang, or even dabbling in rice wine or simple cheese, the Bear's multi-purpose mindset encourages that curiosity without a steep learning curve. The jars are BPA-free and feel premium in hand, and that matters when you're cycling batches every week. But there are caveats. First, the stated 1-liter inner pot plus jar system can be confusing. Depending on which package you get, you're swapping between the stainless bowl and the large glass jars, which, isn't tough, but it adds fiddliness to storage and workflow. Second, while temperature is microcomputer controlled, you don't get highly granular, degree-by-degree adjustments. It's more of a mode plus time system, so purists chasing precise profiles may feel constrained.
3. Genuine Sealjoyous yogurt maker. Moving into the top 3, the genuine Sealjoyous model leans into multifunction and adjustable temperature, exactly the features that help dial in texture and tang once the basics are mastered. In testing, adjustable temp and time let me push cultures for thick, custardy results, or lighten things up for a softer, more spoonable style, and the control scheme felt intuitive after the first run. This is where yogurt making gets fun. Warmer starts for faster activation, then slightly cooler holds for flavor. If you like to tweak, this machine lets you. What stood out was consistency across batches. The heating profile produced a uniform set wall to wall, with minimal whey separation after chilling, always a good sign the ferment held steady. With multifunctional modes, it handled Greek style with post-strain, French style, and even soft cheese workflows without fuss, and the time range was generous enough to aim for mild or tangy endpoints, depending on starter and milk choice. And, well, the machine doesn't overcomplicate the interface. It's simple enough for everyday use, but not stripped of the controls that matter. While it doesn't shout about accessories the way Bear does, it slots comfortably into a routine where you strain externally if you want a denser finish. That's normal for this class and keeps the device focused on one job: stable fermentation. Cleanup was straightforward thanks to the single vessel approach, and that makes a real difference when yogurt is a twice-a-week habit, not a weekend project.
2. Suteck Automatic Yogurt Maker. Suteck takes a bigger swing with a fully automatic, constant temperature design in stainless steel. This is where performance starts to feel, a bit pro in a home package. The constant temp profile reduces variability batch to batch, and for anyone switching between whole and 2% milk or alternating starters, that stability pays off in predictably thick results. The stainless build helps with even heat distribution and easy wipe downs, and the digital control panel is refreshingly clear. Set time, let it ride. In testing, Suteck's ferments were notably steady, fewer bubbles, fewer curd breaks on the edges, and a uniform set that took strain beautifully when I wanted Greek yogurt. The capacity is generous for family use, and I liked how the vessel shape made it easy to pour off light whey without disturbing the set too much. Tiny detail, big quality of life win. Flavor-wise, the machine hit that creamy, tangy balance reliably in the 8 to 12 hour window, and extending to 14 hours didn't produce harshness, just a sharper, pleasantly cultured finish. There's also a sense of quiet confidence here. No gimmicks, no noisy beeps, just a clean cycle and a dependable end result that made me trust it with back-to-back weekly batches. If meal prep is the goal, granola jars, parfaits, savory mezze, Suteck's output slots in perfectly, and the stainless interior stands up to frequent use without staining or odors.
Number 1, Lyntorin Yogurt Maker. At number 1, the Lyntorin brings the whole package together. Fully automatic programming, constant temperature control, adjustable time, and, crucially, a user experience that feels smooth from setup to spoonful. The LED screen with touch buttons makes it simple to dial in longer or shorter ferments, and the automatic shutoff with a sound alert means, no lurking around the kitchen at midnight to catch the finish. It's the kind of set it, actually forget it reliability that reduces mistakes and keeps texture on point. In batch after batch, Lyntorin delivered a plush, creamy set with minimal whey separation, exactly what you want before straining for Greek or scooping straight into breakfast bowls. The constant temperature control held steady, which protects culture activity and flavor development, and that's where the machine earns trust. You can explore milder yogurt for kids one week, then push a tangier profile the next, without worrying the device will overshoot and break the curd. Add in the quiet operation and energy efficiency, and it's genuinely easy to use daily without it becoming background noise in the kitchen. What also elevates it is versatility. Beyond plain yogurt, the time temperature flexibility supports French-style starts, fruit-on-bottom workflows, and post-ferment straining for dense, spurtable textures, all with a clean, stainless steel forward construction that wipes down fast and doesn't hang on to smells. If you like portioning, Lyntorin packages often include multiple glass jars so each family member can customize flavors. Great for keeping the peace over honey versus berry debates. Final thoughts. If the goal is thick, creamy, and drama-free yogurt on a regular schedule, number 1 and number 2 delivered the most consistently excellent batches across different milks and starters. That's what won me over in everyday use.